What's up, traders? We're back here again with Tapped In Academy's weekly breakdown on US30 and Gold. So, as you already know, we're going to get straight into it and get to work. First thing we're going to be looking at here is gold. So let's go ahead and get these things cleaned up here. And then we're going to go ahead and go to our daily real quick. Now, gold on the daily and on the Forex and futures has been looking a bit crazy. The daily, it doesn't look too dramatic here between the two, but let's go ahead and look at our futures right now. Now, as you can see here, we're back at all-time highs. Hopefully, we can be able to get a break out of it and get out of this damn range. We've been here since April, and hopefully we can get out of here. We had a great bullish run here, great bottom wick with a pull-up. That top wick, very indecisive, especially with us having that happen inside of a daily order block. We'll go down to our 4-hour here, and we're showing weakness to the upside here with a very weak-ass candle, and then we have a bearish engulfment on the final 4-hour candle. Matter of fact, I just realized we're looking at it in replay mode. So there was one more final candle and didn't really make much of a difference. Okay, didn't really make much of a difference. Oh, just realized that was here. All right, anyways, didn't really make much of a difference. So really, we're already coming back down to an area of demand. I will start to look at the zone of 34, 35, and then also 34, 44. See if we end up coming down here and double bottoming and then make a nice reversal, and then we could possibly make some highs with a run on this wick up here. This would end up being my buy side target. If I do enter longs, that's where I will be looking to get out. All right, we go down to our 1 hour here. We do have a bearish change of character. We can see here we stalled out. All right, we made a bit of consolidation, manipulated to the downside. We came up, we did not take out sell side, and then we end up breaking down sell side. We did not take buy side, and we sold. Oh, let me start that all over. We made consolidation, manipulated, failed to take buy side, then we took sell side again. Cool, got that out of my system. Now, with that being said, we definitely need to see something happen. Like if it can come up here, invert fair value gaps, maybe even invert this one right here, get into something a little early. Closure above this would be nice. View up right here into with a nice bullish curl to it. We go to our 30-minute. A 30-minute that looks like it's making a floor, so we do get a bullish change of character from here. I will believe it. So I'm gonna leave a note for myself. Try a buy if bullish looks good. I look good. I look fly. I look good. Touch my swag. Wish you could. All right. Anyways, yeah, we even got a nice 30-minute bullish engulfment. Blase, blase. Go down to our lower time frames here. Yeah, this looks good. If we end up getting a nice bullish change of character, shoot up here, pulls back, makes a nice bullish floor again, I'll try to buy. I'll do it. I'm telling you what's happening. If it happens, and you follow my Instagram, you probably see me talk about it in my Instagram. So, yeah. Now let's go ahead and look at US of 30 as well too. We'll go to our daily. All right, so we're looking at our daily here. We had a double top with a broken bottom. We're back at it right here. Let's look at our, yeah, both look the same actually. Oh shit. But yeah. So basically what I want to see is make sure that we have closure above this. Like if we sell from here, that's typical. That's what we would expect because of the structure. But I want to actually see it hold. We're holding this daily SMA, and I want to see a nice bullish push up, and then we can try to look to see to catch the bottom wick of the next daily candle if this is bullish. We go to our 4-hour candle or 4-hour time chart here. All right, we got our 4-hour time chart here. See, we have our push up, our push back. We inverted some fair value gaps here, but we did have closure below these lows, and we have not completely inverted this fair value gap here as well too. So we're still in danger of possible sells. Let's go ahead and leave a note for that as well too. Still in danger of possible sells. That's what I'm looking at for those. All right, it's gotta close up above this, or else even when it comes up here, it could end up being a head and shoulders formation. Like it's ugly, but it's still a head and shoulders. So we gotta see it actually close up above this zone. And we're going to leave this as, oh, not that one. Bearish until above. All right, and that's pretty much that on these two here. Just make sure you guys are paying attention to news. Let me go ahead and check the news real quick, see if we have anything crazy coming out. I don't think we really do this week. Monday clear. Tuesday we got CPI. And then we got PPI on Wednesday or Thursday. And then retail sales at the end of the week on Friday. So yeah, everything kind of makes sense. But if you guys have any questions or anything like that, excuse me. But if you guys have any questions or anything like that, by all means, reach out to me at king_of_rome or at Tapped In Academy on Instagram. You guys can also drop some comments down below if you want to trade with me live. You can take advantage of the 7-day trading access that's in the link down below. All right, make sure to take advantage of that. And we'll see you guys in Discord. Peace out, everybody.